Just do the one that's right here.
All right.
So this is the 34BSBH, 34BSBH. There you go. It's from Heartland. This is 36, 10 3/4 inches long. It's not 36, 11 inches, not 36, 10 and a half. Before you know it's going to be 5/8. Gross vehicle weight 11,000. So, you know, this is not a light trailer. Show price, by the way, look at this though. Show price, $39,995. Now, for a lot of people that might be expensive, but we've looked at a lot of RVs over the past few days and recently, and that is very reasonably priced. For me, especially since it's got the Eddie Bauer name tattooed all over it.
Yeah.
You got a nameplate there. It's stitched into the fabric. It's on the outside. So I don't know.
And Eddie Bauer is not known for putting his name on something. That,
no.
Yeah.
No. So when you first come in, you see you have a little sofa. I'm sure maybe it's an option that these could be theater chairs, but it is a sofa, and it does fold out, or it folds down. It's a jackknife. Okay. My only problem personally with this unit, the TV would be right here. Okay. I don't just prefer that. That's just a me thing. There's a nice fireplace and a JBL sound system. All right. There's some cabinetry around the area, but I prefer to look at the TV straight, not have my head cocked at a 45 or worse degree. Okay. Just to my right is a really big dinette, Lisa.
It is really big.
Well, remember, this is a bunkhouse, right? So you're going to have kids. So it's going to be mom and dad and the kids.
Well, there you
Mom,
go.
dad, or vice versa, and the kids.
Yeah.
Okay. So back here.
I do like that light.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
Yeah, that is really cool.
You got your kitchen, little L-shaped kitchen, single basin, gold plated, right? That's interesting. I'm sure it's not gold plated. I don't know what it is. Maybe it is gold plated. 3-burner stove, little mini oven, and you got your Greystone microwave up here. You have one big cabinet up top. You've got 3 drawers in the bottom. This one's segregated for your utensils, and then you've got one big here, which is all the way through.
With a nice shelf.
You do have your ever-chilled 12-volt side-by-side and the 2 drawers in the bottom, okay? Remember bunkhouse, so we get into the back. There's your traditional bunkhouse. You got your little one up top. You got your sofa in the bottom that jackknifes down. This does flip up like so you can sit on the sofa during the day, okay? And then you got your one over on this side, okay? As well as storage. Your TV would go there, which I'm assuming. Actually, you know what? This TV was the one mounted up there.
Probably for the front panel. Yeah.
I guess if somebody
yanked on it.
Yeah.
That would be my guess too.
We've seen a lot of that this year.
Judging by what we've seen.
We've seen a lot of that this year.
I know. I don't remember that in the past.
And for those who've been watching, and I know most of you watch all of these, we are nice and we are polite, but we will say it like it is. If we felt that was a manufacturer like crap, we would tell you. That was somebody pulling on it.
Yeah.
Right?
I do believe so.
We are nice, but we will tell you like we feel. Okay. Here's the bathroom. Okay. So the toilet's going to be great. Okay. Again, my shoulder's against the wall on this side, but I do have plenty of room over here. So you know what? I'm going to go tall and fluffy approved. Okay. Over here, under countermount sink, nice faucet, extra countertop space for all the lotions and potions. You do have a couple cubbies down here and a big drawer. The only thing really missing is a place to put, towels. It's a bunkhouse. You're going to go through some towels with the children.
Oddly enough, there was a spot right there that would be nice for towels.
Yeah. Maybe they didn't do it because the glass is there, but yeah, I would have put a cubby right there.
Yeah.
There's empty space, unusable.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, come on now. All right. Now there is no. Yep, I can't even stand up in that one, guys.
Oh wow.
Yep. So there's this one's going to be a fail for me when it comes to the shower. I can't even stand up in it, so there's no use in showing you. I would say 6'1", 6'2" max. Okay. We'll take this.
All right.
And we'll go up to the front. See the master. We haven't seen that yet. Oh wow, they've got little pet bowls down there at the bottom.
Oh nice.
Love that.
Yeah.
So this is a nice looking bedroom though. That looks to be like a residential queen. Some cabinetry above. Love the woodwork. Okay. It's just covered. It's not real wood. It's just covered. Probably the same here. It's just covered. Okay. Yep. But still, it's the look. You've got little cabinet there, couple drawers, little shelf on top. Your TV would be all the way up there. Okay. Let's lift this up. There's probably storage underneath. Wow, that didn't want to lift.
Is there drawers? No.
Oh, it's actually, look at this.
Oh, wow.
That's where Rover lives.
It really is.
Look at that. That is great. Why didn't that? Oh, I just needed 2 hands to lift it.
Ah, there you go.
So there are no pistons.
So there's, yeah, for Rover, and then there's for storage.
Nice. Yeah, put some pistons on there, guys.
Yeah.
Really, I mean, right? You got a closet up here, sort of a residential size, residential type shelf. See them in every house you've ever been in, right? And then there's this, which is a washer dryer. I'm gonna say I do love that.
I do too.
You don't see very many stackables.
Yeah,
in a travel trailer.
Yeah,
so I gotta give it for that.
Yeah.
So I think there's a lot of neat ideas. Just maybe not, quite all the way through yet.